your hair can be relaxed and healthy. Who said your hair can't be? In this video, I'm going to give you full details on how to treat your dry, relaxed hair. And this treatment is great for hair growth as well. So stay tuned and watch this video to the end. This treatment in today's video is different from the ones I always do. This is 90% homemade ingredient. For this protein treatment, I'll be using olive oil, hair mayonnaise, avocado, 2 eggs, honey, coconut oil, shea butter oil. I'll put the list in the description so you can check it out. I actually love avocado. I love the moisture avocado gives. I've been using avocado ever since I started my hair journey, way before I relaxed my hair. If you've been following me in my hair treatment journey, you will know that. If you love doing your stuff by yourself or you want to learn how to do your stuff by yourself, then you are the right channel. I love encouraging people, telling them that not all the time you have to pay for services. You can do some things yourself. And that is why I like to do tutorials. So make sure to check my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Coconut oil is the one inside the Coca-Cola bottle. I got it from the local market in my town. This is not the diluted ones, this is the original one. It's called Adiagbon in Yoruba. If you're Yoruba, you will know this. And I couldn't find shea butter oil in the market, so I'll be making it myself. And after melting the shea butter, I let it wait for a while for it to be cold. So I mix all the ingredients together. I measured it in my own way. You can do yours the way you see fit. If you have not yet done so, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button now. As you can see, my hair is so dry now. It's so due for treatment. So I'm going to apply the treatment off camera. After applying the treatment, I cover it up and let it sit on my hair for 30 minutes. And I'm super excited to show you this marvelous hair treatment that works wonders. And I'll wash it off with shampoo and conditioner. This is the best combination of shampoo and conditioner I've ever used. You can check it out to see for yourself. Let me know in the comment section if this video is helpful. Catch you guys later in my next video. Bye.